Hi guys. Probably most of you don't care, but I know Erica does. My one and only fan. Anyways, my laptop crashed and died and burned. So yeah, I wasn't able to make any videos at all. So you guys missed a lot. I cut my hair. Look, watch. Hold on. I don't know if you can tell. I can't. I got bangs, but I put them up today because I don't know. I don't remember why I put them up today, but I did, and ooh, they just like perfectly stayed there. Awesome. You can't even tell. Anyways, yeah. I don't know if you could tell, but I got pretty hurt in my face. You can't really see it. One of my close friends hit me with a stick.
Hey, Savannah!
Hi, Rod! That's my stepdad over there.
I didn't know you were here. Brought a Subway. Sorry.
My stepdad brought food and didn't know I was going to be here.
Well, you were never here.
I'm always here.
Yesterday you weren't here.
Well, because I'll stay after school. And anyways, yeah, so I'm not, like, this is my laptop when it's crashed, and, I mean, I got it to, like, work. Woo! But I don't know how the sound is. So, Erica, if you could tell me how the sound sounds, then that would be greatly appreciated, because I don't know, I don't want to sing anything and then it sounds like absolutely terrible. And yeah, so
You guys ready to eat? Come on.
yeah, thanks.